Welcome back to Yellow Hammer. If you're new here, thank you for coming by. And if you're not new here, thank you for returning. But today I had an idea to make the kind of halo fake fog light ring from Need for Speed, where they have the GT500 that they build. If you haven't looked at that movie, I highly recommend it. I think they did pretty well with what little bit they had to work with. But anyway, for the car here, I've never really liked the idea of putting a fog light in the car. I don't think they look right on them. Not in the grill anyway. The lower part of the bumper would be fine in my opinion. But anyway, we're going to try to make our own halo ring for the car. Okay, you know what? Alright, I gotta grab him. And we need another nut. Okay. Yeah, that'll work. Cool. Now I need to take lithium. You in here. Yeah, that probably would be better, wouldn't it? To go ahead and Run the wire through here. Probably take it right over that. Really need to get every corner I can tightly, like really tightly. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. I wanted to have that back in there, but you don't get what you want all the time, do you? All that over here. Alright, now that we've got everything kind of wrapped up, I figured I'd walk you all through kind of how to control them. Thankfully the kit came with a really tiny compact controller. If I can get the camera to come in here. Okay, apparently not, but anyway. You got 4 on here. One will turn them on. The other one will turn the, either dim them or brighten them. And the other one will do color. Go through the entire rainbow. And the other one after that, we'll put them in a random, whatever you want to call it, for, you know, if you were wanting to make them fade into whatever accompanying color after them. Kind of neat. Hopefully nobody in here looking at my video had been epileptic. But yeah, I mean, anyway, I think they turned out pretty cool. I normally don't like to do a whole lot of lighting on a car, but I do like a little bit when you're kind of one-off, if you want to call it that way. But yeah, anyway, if you all like the video, drop a like, comment, follow. It would help me out a lot to be able to do more like that.